Part 2. Dinosaur Park. Dinosaur Island. Yes. It has what? Principe? People. Yeah, hero. Prince, where are you now? You are
here in Dinosaur Island.
No, we're in Jurassic.
Part 2.
Jurassic Island.
Parang Jurassic World.
Part 2, pangalawang
That's
beses.
how you get so big. They use it from the movies of Dinosaur.
Yes.
Jurassic World.
Bobo, may card.
Prince naman.
Ay!
Stand up.
Tayo. Una ka na.
Don't run, please.
Wow, that's the dinosaurs.
Don't run. Kaya wait naman talaga.
Let's buy a ticket first. Ay, ticket.
Wow.
Prince, oh.
Ay, bagay.
Teka lang. Walang tao, no?
Marami na eh.
Wow, I love this place.
Ticket booth.
No trucks that in the water.
Pasok.
What do you go now? It's okay? Wait, that's your height. Height? Yes, I see. It's over big. Yeah, you can go inside.
Lampas na si Prince.
You can go inside too.
Ito lang, please. Kapag kayo, parang hindi makita nyo lang. Isipin. Please. Please, ganito yung mat, oh. Kaya may mat ni Robby. Ito, ganito yung mat, parang ganito yung mat ko, parang hindi ko natapan.
What does it say here?
Ah, gumagalaw. Gumagalaw daw to. Dali, picture kayo.
Picture po kayo dito, ma'am.
Ayun na, ako na mag-ano.
Hindi, si kuya na.
Diyan nga po lahat.
Kaya mo si Kuya Robby, oh.
Wow.
Part 2.
Let's read that first.
Ay, umagano, oh.
Let's read that.
Yung mouth.
I didn't know what to say. Oh, after that.
Wow. Ay. Galing, gumagalaw pala. Picture, picture. Hero, picture dali.
Pictures tayo ito.
Okay, one.
Dito, pogi dito, Prince. Pogi, oy. Dito, pogi. Pogi. Dali, dito, oy.
Freeze.
Look nanay.
Okay. Stegosaurus.
Uy, ganda na siya, Rocky. Kinaga. Ano? Ayun po, ayun po. Ito pa, ito pa. Uy, ito pa, ang laki. Brachiosaurus. Brachiosaurus. Ako na ang bibidyo na eh.
Wow, it's so big!
Egg kung ano? Uy, may egg!
Something is hiding there. Wait, I see a key.
Dito kayo, teacher. May lalabas dyan eh.
Wait. What's this thing? Wow!
Dito, sikis mo tayo, nanay, dali dito. So,
Okay, one.
Wait lang, please, sikis
One,
mo nanay.
1, 2, 3. Okay. Ay, walang lumabas.
Uy, low pa dyan.
Wow!
Oh, it's dangerous.
Acid for dinosaurs. Dinosaurs? Yeah. Wait, read that.
Kentrosaurus.
Ow,
Kentrosaurus.
There's so many good guys. Hi!
Ay, yung T-Rex. Ayun, ayun. Ayun, ayun.
Uy. Uy.
That's his egg, I think. Let's see how it was.
Touch mo, dali.
Why not? You can't. That's like a weapon. Let's read it. That's his egg. Let's read it. Oh, nice.
Beware. Tayo sa mga T-Rex, again. Baby ka dito, no?
Teacher tayo ulit. T-Rex encounter.
Ay.
Tara.
Video din tayo ng karaan dyan, di ba?
Oo.
I want to go there. I cannot read this. And I cannot reach it.
Ayan na, feed.
I need something.
Oh, feed natin, Prince, feed natin, dali. Huwag kang matakot. Dito, hawa mo. Dito, ganito, feed. Dali, oh. Feed, dali, hawakan mo, Prince, hero. Dali, Prince.
Ay.
Hero si Rocky.
Stop.
Hindi na.
Let's put it inside. There's inside this
Ala, inagat. Oh. Dead.
Dead. Okay.
Okay.
Wow, let's go down there now.
Oo. Teka lang. Wait mo sa tatay. Wait lang.
A triceratops! Who is he?
Dito, ibaba. Ibaba.
I'm super
Laki. T-Rex.
Yan na.
I'm scared. Put
Dali na, baba na.
dinosaur down.
Bakit? Dito yan eh.
Dito yan.
Leave it there. Rawr. Taya ka na yung camera ay yung cellphone.
Ah, ang galing ah.
Tatay, can you read it?
Dito naman kayo tatlo, dali.
Kayo naman, ba't puro kami?
Yun no.
Sige.
Bilis, bilis, bilis. Picture. Game. 1, 2, 3.
Pwede?
1, 2, 3.
Sa kanya mismo?
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Ayan. It's a robot.
Okay.
Dinosaur are not consistent. They pwede na. Pwede. Dad, can you read this? Can you read that?
Okay, tara na.
What? Dinosaurus. Yeah. Bakit say dinosaur?
Prince, ay Hiro, dito nga kayo sa paan ni T-Rex. Dali.
Dito.
Dali sa feet ni T-Rex.
Dali dito. Dali.
Game,
Dito.
one.
Wait lang, dito.
Game, cheese snack. 1, 2, 3. Hiro, tingin.
Cheese.
Okay.
Okay, good job.
The T-Rex.
Okay.
Laki no.
It's moving.
Ang haba ni T-Rex.
Yeah. I thought it broke.
Uy, meron pa ron. Uy, meron dyan. Ayan, katago ah.
Come on, you go out. Look, his egg.
Ala,
Ah,
gumagalaw.
may egg.
Let's
May
read
egg.
this.
Dinosaur.
Dinosaurus.
Ay,
Wow, a stegosaurus.
dito, dali.
Another stegosaurus.
Gumagalaw oh.
It's moving.
Gumagalaw.
Wow, look, his baby.
Baby. Gumagalaw yung
Look,
mga.
that's the wires.
Uy,
Oh,
nalubat.
maybe it's the speaker.
Tunay naman yung mga leaves, no? Mga puno.
No,
Uy.
ay, anak, no, maybe it's the speaker. Wow, let's read this. Ah, they let me quiet. Oh, Dilophosaurus. Let's read it.
Wow.
It's a Dilophosaurus.
Ala, oo nga no.
And he's got a bones. Let's read that.
Prince, wear your hat. Mainit.
The next one's Spinosaurus. Let's read this. Whoa! Dati, we forgot to read that.
It's, ano ba yan? Ano yan? Wohosaurus?
Prince, picture ka, Prince.
Oy, mga small, mga baby.
Prince, dali.
That's
1,
a raptor.
That's a baby raptor. Dali, say cheese.
1, 2,
Cheese tayo kay nanay.
3.
Nanay. Kay nanay, say
Okay.
cheese. Prince, say cheese, I said.
Okay na
Oh,
yan.
wala mo na say cheese. Say cheese.
Game. Ayaw
Dali,
niya.
cheese.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Okay. Wala, putol yung hands na ano. Hurt siya.
Maybe someone's a... Maybe
Ayun o, ayun o.
The Prince. Dino Escape. Bago to ah. Cheese! Dinosaur.
Ay, dali, parang nakakatawa rito na. Ay, nakakatawa rito.
Ay.
Prince, sino? Prince, this is my pet. This is my pet.
Prince cheese na nanak. Dali. It won't bite. It won't bite. It's just a robot.
Hi, robot!
Don't broke that. Oh, sinuntok.
Teka lang, nalobat ako.
Ay, nalabas siya. Di ba?
Doon sa kabila, you know, yung nag-ano kayo, nag-picture kayong tatlo.
I think it got something. Let's go there. Oh, look! I got some, huh? Let's go there.
Bago yung Dino Escape.
Oo. Uy, may baby ano. Ay, yun yung picture namin dati.
Oo nga.
Wala, Prince. Rocky, yun yung picture natin dati.
Tayo ulitin mo nga yung picture nyo na yon, yung karga mo sila.
Uy, Triceratops! Ika, ay! Prince,
May baby Triceratops. Tayo ulitin mo nga yung karga mo sa kanila nun, Tay. Dali, picture kayo again. One, two, three.
Doon, tingin kay nanay. Tingin kay nanay, Prince.
Bigat na eh.
Oh, no.
Wait, did you see it? Hey, look! I know that sound. I know that's from the boss who has
Mamaya pa yun sa labas.
Nalala ko yun yung mga gagamba malaki.
Andun yun sa kabila. Ah, yan yung gusto nilang gawin, Tay.
Look, you see fossils?
Oo nga, no?
We have to dig it and find treasure. Hurry.
Ayun gusto nilang gawin eh. Cheese.
Wait, I don't puzzle. Look, I still have puzzle. I still get puzzle. Yeah, yo. Yo, ito na yun. I want this puzzle. Look,
Nakaraan, daming tao rito, no? Yung konti na lang.
Baka dumagsa ng ano.
Semana Santa.
Dino World.
Wait, tinan mo. Mami.
Galing ah.
O, tara na, let's go na.
Please. Ay, you get that. You put it there.
Woomy, woomy. Wow. Let's try there. Let's go.
Oo nga, no? Ito, hindi ko matikin na
Yan ba yun? Diyan ang daan palabas eh. Sa daan lang tayo.
I think we can do this. Does he go far? Let's go. Wait, you have more or you
Prince, cheese.
Look at here.
Prince, cheese.
Cheese kayo kanalay. Ako naman kung sito sa inyo.
Dali na. Cheese.
Ito, cheese. Wait, Loki.
Ayaw. Pahinga muna, pahinga. Ito po ano.
Lalabas na natin.
Cute. Again, Prince. 1, 2, 3. Prince, I can see you. Galing ah. Oh, rest muna tayo, dali. Sit down muna tayo.
Hindi, pwede dyan, maingay dyan eh. Ay, yung sinamin dyan tayo, pulis ka muna dito.
Rest muna tayo.
Pulis muna kayo.
May dala ko pa.
I think there's still more. Let's go inside there. Mommy, let's find more.
Doon paglabas ng exit natin dyan.
I am just going in behind the store.
Doon yata.
Wait, let's keep shopping first. I feel hungry. Look, you see all those? And there's popcorn. And let's eat. Ikaw, please.
Eh, harap na kay nanay. Harap na kay nanay. Cheese.
Okay, nanay, and tatay.
Tumayo.
That's scary. I like it.
Dito sa YouTube natin video, sa Reels, ha?
Wait.
Part 2 na ang dahil sa island. Vince, dito sa gilid niyo. Kapay mo tayo.
Ano ko na explain?
Ano mo tayo? Loki, go na. Go, Vince. Dito. Loki.
Wait a sec.
Saan yun? Ah, dito.
Okay, ano?
Here.
Wait lang, wait lang.
Wait, look.
Pwede yung gantay.
I want to
Dapat free. Dito ba yung parang may hinibulta ko dyan? Ay, saan yun? Sa pari? Ito rin ba yun?
Doon kayo kay tatay.
Isa dito kay tatay. Dito
Oh.
ako, ito ng face.
Parang, hawak ka.
Dito
Nanay,
yung bulat.
someone got bites dito. Parang Dinosaur Island sa YouTube. It's not a trick.
Big egg.
Mas strong boy kayo? Ang strong boy hindi na-scared.
Wala. Wala.
Go.
Oo Kukunin ba?
Ah!
It's a human!
Pinansin natin, o, di ba?
It's a human!
Ah, human.
It's a human!
Di ba? O, tsaka yung ano, maliit.
Ah? Wow.
Mga ano, 30 wonders, no? Pyramid, no?
Tawag yung description. This is Taj Mahal. India.
Touch Mahal. Ano ba, Taj Mahal?
Simbahan yan. China. This is in Brazil. Brazil ba? From, yan, Puerto Rico. Ito sa Mexico. Sa Egypt. Ito sa Egypt.
Ito yung sa kapit natin ko, mga pumunta. Tingnan, Prince. Enjoy kayo? Enjoy ka, Prince? Ayun, oo, ha? Ayun, Jordan. Ayun, ba si Jordan? Hindi ba sa New Wonders of the World? Ah, bago pala, New Wonders of... Ano, ang bundok ng inukat dito na, no?
Pinaganda pa nila lalo, no? Last year, nakarang di ganda eh.
Nasa kundi. Turkey.
Warriors! Wow! The whole entire world. What's this got?
Tay, dito tayo. Picture solo. Wait, wait, wait. 1, 2, 3. Ang kengkoy.
Please, please.
Galing ah. Oh, galing ah. Galing ah.
Dati open pa tayo.
Oo.
Gabi, buhatin mo to. Yung great fall.
Ang haba niya. Siguro pagpagod ka na, paglakad ka na. Peru. Wear your hat, mainit eh.
Ito na yun.
Ah. Oh, wow.
Pyramid.
That's in Peru. Ay, Brazil ba? Yung sa pelikula na ano, mga ibon.